Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go to the question. The figure above shows a triangular prism whose base is an equilateral triangle with side length x and height square root of 3 times x. If the volume of the prism is 81 over 4, what is the value of x? Okay, so in this question we have to find the value of x. Okay, here we have the volume of the triangular prism, that is 81 over 4. Let me write it over here. So the volume is given, that is equal to 81 over 4. Since it's a prism, we know the formula to get a volume of a prism, that is we have to multiply the base area by height of the prism. Let me write the stuff over here, equals to 81 over 4. So here, what is the base of this prism? According to the question, so the base is an equilateral triangle with side length x. So to get the base area of this prism, we have to get the area of the equilateral triangle with side length x. So what's the formula to get area of the equilateral triangle? That is square root of 3 over 4 times. So the length of the side has to be square. So here the question says the equilateral triangle is having the side length x. So that x has to be squared times the height of the prism has to be taken over here. The question says the height of the prism is square root of 3 times x. Let me write it over here. Square root of 3 times x equals to 81 over 4. Okay, now we can simplify the expression on the left side over here. When I multiply this square root of 3 and square root of 3, I'm just getting 3 divided by 4 times. When I multiply this x square and x, I'm getting x to the third power equals to 81 over 4. Since my aim is to solve for x, I have to isolate x in this equation. For that, I have to get up this 3/4 first. So to get up this fraction 3/4, what I have to do is I have to multiply both sides of the equation by the reciprocal of this fraction, that is 4 over 3. Let me do it. So when I do so, this 3 will cancel, this 4 will cancel out, and the 4 will cancel. 3 goes into 3 one times, and 3 goes into 27. And now we get x to the third power equals to 27. Since we have exponent 3 over here, we can write this 27 as a power with exponent 3. So that's easier. That is 27 can be written as 3 to the third power. Here two powers are equal with the same exponent 3. Whenever two powers are equal with the same exponent, what we can do is we can equate the bases. So the base on the left side is x, the base on the right side is 3. So when I equate the bases, I am getting x equals to 3. So now I got the value of x. The value of x is 3. We find 3 in answer choice A. So the correct answer choice for this question is A.